Editing the heating curve for a weather-controlled circuit is quick and easy using our intuitive touchscreen controller. On the main menu, go to the Settings icon at the bottom left of the screen. Select Service Settings and type the 4-digit password 0000 and tap Enter. Select Installation Controller from the menu. Scroll through the menu to find your circuits. Select the circuit you want to edit and scroll down to find Heating Curve on the menu. You'll now see the Heating Curve Edit screen. You can alter the curve by using the arrows to adjust the curve and shift. The radiator curve should be between 1 and 1.6. The underfloor heating curve should be between 0.2 to 0.6. Shift allows you to find the midpoint based on the temperature outside and desired flow temperature. For example, if it is getting too hot, bring the shift down slightly to correct the curve. You can select the information icon for more details. When you have finished, tap the forward arrow, not the back arrow, at the top of the screen to save the settings. The Grant Aerona Smart Controller allows for quick and easy editing of the heating curve for all weather-controlled circuits.